Good afternoon, everyone. I'm meteorologist Lon Salmon bringing you the latest tropical weather outlook. And we continue to see a buzz of activity in the Atlantic Basin. We are looking at Hurricane Lee. Hurricane Lee continues on northern part, and it is expected to impact the extreme northeastern coast of the United States. So places such as New Hampshire could be affected by the storm, and also the extreme southeastern sections of Canada as well. In fact, those areas are under tropical storm warnings and also hurricane watches as well. Also, we are looking at tropical storm Margot. Now, Margot continues to weaken somewhat. However, it is expected over the next several days to take an interesting turn. That interesting turn suggests that Margot could very well affect the northern parts of the Azores. Until then, swells from the system will continue to impact the coastal areas of the Azores over the next several days. We are also looking at a tropical depression 15. This formed earlier today, and at 11 a.m. the center of tropical depression 15 was located near latitude 14.4 degrees north. The latitude, that's latitude. Longitude, we're looking at 43.8 degrees west, or approximately 1,170 miles or so east of the Lesser Antilles. Now, this system is anticipated to strengthen over the next several days. In fact, by later today, this could very well become a tropical storm, and it will be named Tropical Storm Nigel. Over the next several days as well, further strengthening of the system is anticipated, and it could very well morph into a hurricane or a major hurricane. Now, with respect to Antigua and Barbuda and the Eastern Caribbean, this is what we're looking at in terms of the forecast models, not models, but the path, the probability path of the system. We can see that at 11 p.m. today, of course, 11 a.m. it was located again about 1,170 miles or so east of the Lesser Antilles, and we can see how it is expected to move over the next several days. It is anticipated to pass well to the northeast of the Eastern Caribbean, so that is some good news. So we don't really have to think about that affecting us, except perhaps when it becomes a major hurricane by about Tuesday or so. Some of the swells from the system could propagate to the south and could reach the coastal waters of the northeastern Caribbean. So by that time, it is quite possible that there will be a high surf advisory in effect, or even a high surf warning. But for now, this system it looks like this is not going to feature at all across the northeastern Caribbean. Also, we are looking at an area of disturbed weather which is expected to emerge from the West African coast over the next several days. So we certainly will be keeping our eye on that area of disturbed weather as it moves off the west coast of Africa. Well, that's it for the tropical weather outlook. Again, I'm meteorologist Lon Salmon. Continue to have a pleasant day, and of course, you can get further information on our YouTube channel, Antigua and Barbuda Meteorological Services.